First NBA player that comes to mind, all-time edition. Let's get it. LeBron.
Danny Granger.
Wow. Okay. LeBron. Okay, I need a starting five. Come on. Jordan Poole, damn it.
Vicic Micic.
Yeah, no, you wildin'. You did. This is first player, not most random player you can think of.
No. That was the first player that came to mind.
Come on. Tyrese Halliburton.
LeBron James.
Come on, bro. You gotta pick different player, bro.
Roy Hibbert.
Did he play for the Lakers? He did, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, you built the worst team of all time. That's crazy. Come on.
You said most random.
No, this is first player.
I know. First player that comes to mind. Bob Cousy.
Bibby.
Bob Cousy played for
Mike
Celtics?
Bibby. Cousy?
Yeah.
Probably. They're gonna be like, they don't know no ball.
That's
All right.
the first person that came to mind.
Let's see what else we get. Come on. I got LeBron, bro. This is sweet, bro. This is sweep. Bilal Coulibaly, baby. Come on now.
Come on, Terrence, man.
Oh my God.